Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 28th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do make sure you check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So Kiwi dollar been pretty sideways pretty much all week long for sure. If you go back up to the higher time frames, we are definitely still within what I would consider a base channel. And I do think it is going to make its way down to the bottom of this channel, but I have a feeling it might pop up and grab some of this upper liquidity before it goes down. And then maybe next week sometime is when we'll go up and either make a wave three, which would stay within this channel, or wave C, that is. A wave C would stay within this channel or possibly a wave three. If it's a wave three, I still think it will break out of the channel and continue the uptrend. So keep that in mind as we go down to the sort of time frames. We have some pretty decent dollar news today, and it kind of almost seems to me like this is like more like a five-way pattern up, even though it's overlapping, and this is kind of three ways down. Today's dollar news actually might cause it to go up towards the 50% of this channel, grab all these highs for liquidity, and then maybe next week is when we'll end up continuing the downtrend. We have a lot of really big news next week, including non-farm payroll and a lot of tariff news next week. So next week should be a much bigger week and a lot more volatility in the markets next week, I would expect. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.